Hello, everyone. Um, I have a little shopping haul to show you. It's kind of bad, very bad. Most of it came from Dollar Tree. I had to be out, and actually, I had to be in a couple of different areas in town, so I went to two Dollar Trees. It's always funny to me that one Dollar Tree does not have everything. You know, they all come from the same place, but they don't seem to stock the same things, and that's true for all of you. So I just wanted to show you some things to keep an eye out for, because some of these things are things I've been looking for a bit, just because. Now, this is one thing that did not come from Dollar Tree. These were from Tuesday morning, and they were in their clearance section, and they were just so pretty. And I just loved this little bird and butterfly with the tree limb of flowers. So I had to have them. There was like 6 other packages I would have liked, but I put them back. I did at Dollar Tree get a couple of more baskets to help organize. That doesn't seem to be happening very fast, but I did try. I had seen that somebody had these. They're called rocket grow things. Basically, they're seeds, but they're in a seed starter package. And I thought I'd try them. It's not something I needed, but I got basil and dill and some tomatoes. They had others of these, and they had other kinds of seeds. I got some basil and thyme and things from them last year, and their seeds, I didn't have any problems with germination on their seeds. So let's see, these say that they're packed for 2021. So it also says they're good until December of 2024, which it all depends on seeds and how you keep them. So I got those. I was low on foam tape. The last I got was in pieces, and I thought this pop dot tape, it's not really pop dots, it's just foam tape. It's double-sided foam tape for making dimensional things, and I thought I would try it and see what happens. It's got little narrow stuff too, so that might make it a lot easier to use. I went kind of bonkers with oh, sorry for the glare, with stickers. They had some beautiful stickers. Now, these are the 3-dimensional ones. I got some butterflies like this about a year ago, and I just love them. I just think they're so pretty. And I have been looking for, let's see, come on. Oh, well, I'm just going to show you like this. They actually have a little layer that sticks up, and I just thought they were so pretty. But they had dragonflies. Let me see if I can show you without the glare. Dragonflies and pink flamingos, which I think are fun. And these are hummingbirds. And then, of course, the bugs. And I thought the bugs were real pretty. Oh, there we go. I can get them out. There we go. And this does happen every once in a while where one of the pieces will come off. I had to glue one of the other ones back together before. They're just on there with some tape. But you see how they're 3-dimensional? They have a second layer on them. So I really thought they were pretty. So I got those. Let's set this one back somewhere where I can put it back inside. And then they had these butterfly ones, which I've never seen before. They are cardstock or heavier. They're a little bit heavier than cardstock weight. And I just think they're beautiful. This one's gold and very vintagey. A couple of them are bright. These two are very bright, which is fine. they're actually 2 and 3 layers of cardstock to make a dimensional butterfly. So they were really, I thought they were real pretty. And then these 3 are much more vintage colors. So, and I'm not sure I even got all of the colors, but I went through and tried to get at least some of them. Sooner or later, I'm going to make an altered book that is just butterflies. I've been wanting to do that for a while, and I haven't, and I need to get around. Then I got a couple of little notebooks because, not because I needed a notebook, but because they were so cute, and I think they would be awesome to alter. And I was just real surprised to find them at Dollar Tree. These are really nice traveler's notebooks. This actually has elastics in it. It has 2 elastics in it, and it's got nice heavy elastic in it. I may be sorry I didn't get some more of these because, you know, with Dollar Tree, sometimes if you don't get it now, you might not get it. But they had these really nice craft notebooks inside of them. This is, it's kind of like vinyl, and it's flocked inside, but the elastic's real nice. I was real surprised. Like I said, I may be sorry I didn't get a couple more just to alter. They're by Jot, so it ought to be something that most of the Dollar Trees will be getting if they don't have them now. That's, you know, one of those things that, you know, you have to think about with them. If it's not one of their standard products, you might not get it again. And then this little notebook, I honestly sort of got it because I was curious about it. Okay, how are we going to get this out of there? That's interesting. I'm not sure how to get it out. Let's get scissors. This is just plastic, so. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's part of the, it's on the discs. I don't think it's the right size. It's a little small. It's 3x4 instead of 3x5. But I was thinking this is really cute, and it's really close to index card size. It might be fun to do a little index card book that's similar to this with the discs. Oh, it's got orange paper. Okay, that's interesting. I did not realize it had orange paper. I was fully expecting white paper. Paper's nice. It's pretty heavy weight. But I sort of got both of these little notebooks to think about altering them was the thing. I'm not sure that that's, you know, a big deal or not. I kind of picked them up for that purpose. So I got those. Valentine's Day stuff is still out, and I got these. These are wooden hearts, and they I was thinking they would be cute as if I put some holes in here, like 2 little holes in there, and then made a little notebook like so that opened. I thought that'd be really cute. Very much like the little notebooks that I used in a couple of other videos, which I did get a couple more packages of those because I think they'll be really cute to decorate for all kinds of projects. So I got some more of those, and these are the wrong size and shape, but I can cut paper to make books out of those. So let's put that stuff out of the way. I had been seeing about this, and I needed a curved needle, and so I thought this is a weaving set. It's in the hair supplies. Okay. It's in where they have the brushes and everything else. And it's for weaving extensions into hair. And I wanted a curved needle, and it has two. One, it has a great big needle, which is interesting. The needle is bent just a little bit at the eye. I don't know that you can see that. Let me see if I can bring you in. Can you see that that's bent just a little bit? So there's that one. And there's another needle that's bent at the tip. And then a curved needle. And I had really wanted the curved needle. And that one appears to be a very nice one. For bookbinding is what I got it for. Now, I didn't have a clue what this thread would be like, but it's pretty... looks pretty heavy. Oh, good. It appears to be tied in a knot. There we go. It's a nice weight thread. I would definitely say it needs to be waxed to be used. But it's, so the whole kit is good as far as bookbinding. I think it would work very nicely for bookbinding. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying to back out so I'm not so tiny. Then I always check their stencils. And this was a new one that I hadn't seen, and I really kind of like it. Now, it is just each square looks like it's about a 5-inch square. No, roughly. It's roughly a 5-inch square. Each square on this is a little bit different. Let me find something that's got a color to it so that you can see. That didn't make it easier at all, did it? It's better to have it like that. Okay, so there is that pattern, that pattern, some circles, and sort of a leaf pattern. I will probably take this cardboard off completely and just have it loose. I do like that it's got the tab on it where you could hang it if you wanted to. But that's a good size stencil for $1, and I was real pleased to get that one because, like I said, it's very it's a background stencil. It'll work good for that kind of thing. Okay, let's see. Couple more things. I got this. This has nothing to do with art. This has to do with the fact that somebody said this is pretty good coconut oil. I did read it. It is coconut oil, grape seed oil, which is really good for your skin. I've used that in the past. Glycerin. Now it does have soybean oil in it, but also mineral oil. So I got a bottle of that. And this is new. This is something I had not seen before. And you know, I like this kind of bling because you can cut it up and use it as individual pieces, or you can use it in a line. This is a little different. These are like little pearls, or they're like rounded on top instead of concave, and they're flat on the back. So they will easily be cut apart and used for bling. And they had colors too, but I have other kinds of bling in the colors, so I just got the silver and gold because I will use them more. And I got one last thing before I go that we're going to play with on one of my Sunday streams, or maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll just come on and do a live stream to play sometime. if this is a toy, obviously it's a toy. It's a spin art tour. No, it's not tournament. It's Turo. I don't know. It means that it spins, I think. And obviously it's not going to work great or anything, but I thought it looked like fun. Okay. I think there is, there's paint in here too, which, you know, I don't need paint, but yeah, there's 3 little tubes of paint. There's some little round papers, and I'll have to cut lots of extra round papers. And then you have a spinny thing that, oh, now that's going to be fun. You just spin it. Oh, now that will be fun. Okay, guys, we're going to play with this first chance I get in a live stream, because, you know, we want to play with it in a live stream. Woo! So you put the paper in there and you spin it and you drop little bits of paint on it. It will very likely spray all over, so I'll need something to put over the top of it so it doesn't spray all over me. I do know, guys, that I'm having some audio issues. I don't know that whether or not I've got it fixed. I'm hoping that I've got it fixed. Unfortunately, I did have some videos up already that may be bad, and so please bear with me, and I am trying to fix what I can and figure out how to do things so that it works better. I've altered some things today. I don't know if this video is going to be better or not, and I will see what I can do in my editing. The problem has been is that I haven't seen any differences. Until they get live on YouTube, it doesn't seem to show up. It's not showing up on the computer. So I hope this will be a good video, and I hope you found some things that, you know, it's all about enabling each other and finding the fun stuff we can go and hunt for. So you guys go have a great day, and I'll see you all later. Go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.